Now, the guidelines say that you will be required to wear a mask. It does not say that you will be required to wear a mask during the examination, right? But just in case you have a very picky, nitpicky invigilator who tells you that you have to wear a mask, what will you do? Right? It's going to be a greater chance that somebody is going to ask you to wear a mask than somebody is going to ask you to not wear a mask, right? So practice over the next 10 to 12 days wearing a mask and writing the examination. You need to be comfortable wearing a mask, writing an examination, sitting in a place for about 2.5 hours, right? You might want to try out all these breathing techniques or a cheating technique where you keep your mask down for some time, take a deep breath, put it up again, and so on, right? Make sure that you practice wearing a mask in the examination. It's always better to be prepared. Obviously, if you are on that day, if you're not allowed to wear a mask, if you're not required to wear a mask, go ahead and not wear a mask. You are going to be freer. Conversely, if you have gotten used to wearing a mask, right, you might want to keep the mask on that day as well, even if it is optional. Simply speaking, practice wearing a mask, get used to wearing a mask. We all know the health benefits of wearing a mask. I know the vaccine is going to come very soon. We all have tried, we have all waiting in anticipation about when it is going to come to India, when we'll be able to go back to the normal life again. But till that time happens, please wear a mask. 3 hours in an examination situation, in a closed room, with a person who may or may not have COVID is enough for you to catch COVID and unfortunately pass it on to somebody who's near and dear to you. Please don't be stupid. Be ready for all circumstances, all possible scenarios. Wear a mask. Practice wearing a mask. There are some queries about gloves, etc. I think gloves can be skipped. I don't think gloves will be mandatory as such. You can carry your gloves if you're comfortable wearing a glove. That is good enough. But you can carry a sanitizer and you can carry a sanitizer inside and use the sanitizer again and again just to tell that invigilator is there. But mask, I think, is going to be almost mandatory, and you're going to get into more trouble with masks than than for the lack of gloves. So masks, yes. Gloves, optional. Practicing with masks, definite. Practicing with the gloves, optional. In case you have any queries, please do let us know on YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, Quora, Facebook, and Instagram. My name is Vivek. You are watching CAT Helpline Office Hours. Till we meet again, all the best for your CAT examination.